extortion threat calls or messages is concerned, and as per the crime branch sources, the Bishnoi gang demanded nearly 10 crores from Bollywood actor Ranveer Singh. And this has happened via a threatening voice note that was sent to Ranveer Singh's manager. Now, in their preliminary investigation, the officials have found the number to be of an American origin, and sources state that the crime branch is now contacting the relevant US agency through protocol channels to obtain information about that very number. Let's connect with Nilesh on this. Nilesh, good morning. What are we getting to know as far as when it comes to this involvement of the gang is now concerned, and already linkages that are now coming across as far as several Bollywood celebrities may have received similar messages of extortion?
Well, Samita, good morning to you. This is coming as a big development wherein the crime branch officials have explained that how this entire network currently is functioning in and around Bollywood fraternity, stating that how the threat message which was earlier received by actor Ranveer Singh demanded of rupees 10,000 crore as an extortion amount, and the sequence of this entire event was after Rohit Shetty's residence was fired upon, this message was sent to the filmmaker and actor Ranveer Singh's manager's personal phone number via a number that is US based, and which is why the officials are currently trying to track down exactly where this number belongs to and who owns this number. Was it a direct message sent by this message, or was it used as a dump number, or a VPN code was used into this entire process? And which is why forensic departments are also analyzing this voice sample, which is said to be of Harry Boxer, who happens to be a very close aide of the Bishnoi gang. This ultimately signifies that how the Bollywood is currently disturbed by the B gang. Earlier in the 90s, 80s, and the Bollywood was facing threats from the D gang, and similar modus operandi is currently being used by B gang, which is Bishnoi gang, and which is also raising concerns for Mumbai police officials. Now, it is important to highlight that not just Ranveer Singh or Rohit Shetty, but various high-profile celebs have been constantly receiving these kinds of threat messages of extortion amount. However, no official complaint has been given. That is, no FIR has been registered as of now, including that of Rohit Shetty's and Ranveer Singh's complaint as well, and which is somewhat limiting cops from taking action, and which is why they are going through the probe through preliminary sources, and this is also limiting this entire process. However, we are also picking up that this is not the only case. That is, the Bollywood is not only one target of the Bishnoi gang, but various political leaders and businessmen are also receiving threat messages. However, again, concern remains the same, that they are not willing to lodge an official complaint, and which is why
all of them are being linked to the same B gang, as you've been saying, because 10 crores have been demanded from Ranveer Singh. This seems to be a threatening voice note, and these threats are now coming via voice notes and emails and phone calls as well.
Well, that is a difficult aspect to understand, like since when exactly are these threat messages coming in. But what we understand that after Baba Siddiqui's killing and the bullets which were fired outside Salman Khan's residence, various celebs from Bollywood have been receiving time and again these kind of messages via email or via voice notes through their WhatsApp number. And this modus operandi is being used to avoid being tracked by the probe agencies.
So that is the Ranveer Singh extortion call is now concerned, or this voice note, preliminary report and this investigation reveals that the call has now been traced to the US, and the phone number was found to be of an American origin, and the crime branch is now contacting the relevant agencies. Thank you very much, Nilesh, for getting us that out.